How to claim UK tax refund for those who have salary below £12,570 in the last financial year. Especially for care assistants who reached UK last financial year. Here are the steps on how to claim a UK tax refund for those who have a salary below £12,570 in the last financial year. Check if you are eligible. You are eligible for a tax refund if you have paid more tax than you owe. This can happen if you have a salary below £12,570, or if you have other deductions from your income, such as student loan repayments or pension contributions. Gather your documents. You will need to gather some documents to support your claim. These documents include your P60, your P45, if you have one, and any other documents that show your income and deductions. You can claim a tax refund online using the HMRC website, https://www.gov.uk/claim-tax-refund. The form is fairly straightforward, but you will need to have all of your documents to hand. Once HMRC has processed your claim, you will receive your refund by check or bank transfer. Here are some additional tips for claiming a UK tax refund. Claim as soon as possible. The sooner you claim, the sooner you will receive your refund. Useful websites: HMRC website, https://www.tax.service.gov.uk/tax-u-paid/2022-2023/paid-2-muchmercy app, https://play.google.com/store/apps/details?mark.it=uk.gov.hmrc.pdcalcigov.uk ID check, https://play.google.com/store/apps/details?mark.it=uk.gov.document checking. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.